Hi, this is Raksil. Welcome back to another custom ROM review, custom ROM flashing guide. And today I have installed PalladiumOS Android 12 based on Miui vendor, right? And this is right now in beta stage, right? You can see this is Android 12 PalladiumOS, and the material you and all the Android 12 widgets goodies you get here is working perfectly fine, right? If we go to settings, about phone, Android version 12, right? Double tap and move the clock to 12 o'clock. You get to see Easter egg. Security patch 5th November 2021. SE Linux status enforcing, that is a good thing to have in smartphone. And the kernel version is PORP kernel, right? And here you go, Palladium version 2.1 hello, right? This is build status official, right? And here you get in settings, you get the customization that you get in Palladium OS, right? Atomic hub, status bar, miscellaneous UI, themes, lock screens. You can customize this. 4G VoLTE icon, network traffic indicators, heads up, kill button, kill app button. Miscellaneous, you get show CPU info, right? UI, you get charging animation and tap to wake on DOS, right? And navigation bar, right? You can enable or disable this, but if you change this to right leaning, it will not show. This is a good thing, right? And here in lock screen, you get music visualizer, fingerprint, okay, media art, wallpapers and style. You get dark theme, right? This is how it looks with dark themes. I don't use dark themes as much. I don't like it. Wallpaper colors, right? You can choose wallpaper colors. The material U is working like a boss. Okay, let's go to Play Store and settings. About, you get to see device is certified, right? That is good. And the safety net, here you can see the safety net passed, right, without any problem. And DRM info, let's check it out. You have security level L1, it's a good thing to have in smartphone. And Geekbench score, history, and this is the Geekbench score, multi-score 2351, and the single score is 685, right? This is not a performance score, this is not a good score for gaming, right? And this is the Antutu benchmark score, 488,574, right? And the camera, we have Google Camera Go here, Google Camera Go, right? Gcam. You get portrait, photo, video, translate. And on the left side in your home screen, you get Google Feed. And here the launcher is Launcher 12, right? 12.0 Alpha 4. Here you can customize themes, icons, icon shape, system themes, accent color, right? You can do that, and you get all the widgets goodies that you get in Android 12, right? You have all these things and everything is working. This ROM is in beta stage, but still I haven't found any major bugs. I only found bugs when I first boot the phone. After flashing it, so Google speech keeps stopping when I first boot the device after flashing. And the fingerprint, when I was first setting up, it was the screen was blinking a lot, but after my first setup, the fingerprint is working like a boss, right? Here you can see the fingerprint is smooth AF. The battery backup is good. In battery you have thermal profiles and game mode. You can enable gaming and enable game mode 180 Hz. This mode is here. In display you get wake up phone plug. In display you get always on display, and anti-flicker mode is there, right? System gestures, you get quickly open camera. I don't like this. One-handed mode, you get that feature. Yes, this is working. Swipe to screenshot, I have enabled this one and it's working like a boss. Tap to sleep, enable advanced restart option, I have enabled. Pop-up camera, this ROM might get released very soon, and as this ROM is almost everything is ready, right? And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy watching content like this, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new video in the future, right? Thank you. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.